we're going to look at sharing a certain quantity in a ratio, in the ratio of A is to B. Now, when you are sharing, or the another word is divide. So when you are sharing, or divide, or split, the word is split when you are sharing in the ratio. When you are splitting a certain amount in a certain ratio, first of all, you must get the total amount, must get the total ratio, the total of that ratio. So you have to say A plus B. Then it means now the first person will get A out of A plus B. The second person will get B out of A plus B. Right. So that's what happens. So if I say share 100 rand, 100 sweets in the ratio in the ratio 2:3. Right. Now this is what will happen if you are sharing it amongst two people. This is the first part of the ratio. This is called the first part. So the first person will get the first part, the second person will get the second part. So this is the first part, and this is the second part of the ratio. Now, the first person will get part 2, the first part, which is 2, out of the total, which is what? 5. The second person will get part 3, out of the total, which is what? Which is what we call 5. Right. So in other words, now we can look at it in this way. So I'm going to say, okay, the first person, how much will the first person get? So the first person will get what? You say 100 multiplied by 2 out of 2/5, and the answer will be, they will get 40 what? Sweets. The first person will get 40 sweet. Now the second one will get 100 multiplied by 3/5. So in other words, now this second person, out in the 100 rand, in the 100 sweet that is available, the second person will get 3 part out of the whole part, which is 5. Then here we are seeing the first person, in the 100 sweets that are available, the first person will get the 2 part out of the whole 5, out of the whole 5. So as a total, this is 5 as a total, but the first person will get 2 out of the total. Then the second person will get 3 out of the total, which is 5. So here now the answer will be 60 sweets. 60 sweets.
Struggling with maths or physical science? Well, don't panic. MAOKOMATICS is here for you. MAOKOMATICS is a trusted maths and physical science tutoring platform. We offer professional, affordable, and results-driven results. At MAOKOMATICS, we make learning simple and effective. Our expert tutors are trusted by thousands of learners and are committed to helping you succeed. We offer online lessons valid for 12 months, so you can learn anytime, revise anytime, and succeed anytime. We have the following 2 options. First option, 1 subject and make a 650 once-off payment. Option 2, 2 subjects, only 950 once-off payment. Classes take place every Saturday and Sunday from 6 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. Don't wait until exams are around the corner. Invest in your future today. Register now. 064 702 1757.